Spirituality is to live your life doing good things and leaving your mark behind. Good morning, Reverend Fathers, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we, the students of Blue House, invite you to explore the concept of Magis, a Latin term meaning more or greater. Rooted in Ignatian spirituality, Magis encourages us to seek greater excellence and depth in our endeavors, striving for the best in service, love, and creativity. At its core, Magis encourages us to go beyond our comfort zones, to push the boundaries of our potential, and to pursue our goals with passion and dedication. It challenges us to continuously improve, to better serve our communities, and to seek innovative solutions to the problems we face. As we present this play, we hope it inspires us to reflect on how we can incorporate Magis into our own lives, reaching beyond our comfort zones to make a meaningful impact. Enjoy the performance and contemplate.
Scene 1. Classroom. Good morning, class. Today, I am going to assign you a project based on the concept of Magis, striving to do more for others and for the greater good. It is about seeking excellence and purpose in our actions. Scene 2. A playground in the school. In a vibrant school playground, two young friends, Prabsirat and Arzu, were discussing their class projects on the concept of Magis, the idea of doing more for others.
I think Magis means helping people in big ways, like superheroes.
Yes, but it is also about doing small things with big heart, right?
Inspired by their conversation, Prabsirat and Arzu decided to embark on a quest to understand and demonstrate Magis in action.
Scene 3. A marketplace. They meet an old lady selling something.
See how old that lady is, still working so hard. Lo, she dropped her basket.
Yes, but how strange, nobody is coming forward to extend a helping hand towards her.
Let's go and help her.
The old lady was touched by their willingness to help and their enthusiasm for making a difference. Scene 4. A busy street. After helping the old lady, they moved forward. Now they encountered a homeless man sitting under a tree.
I am
hungry and cold.
Arzu, can you see that man? How helpless he seems. Let's share our snacks with him.
Yes, we should. And here, you can take my jacket to stay warm.
The homeless man smiled gratefully, touched by their kindness. Scene 5. The scene opens with Mother Teresa sitting outside her shelter. She hands a piece of bread to an orphan boy.
Sister, why do you give us food every day?
Because no one should go hungry, Karanveer. It is important to share what we have with others who may need it more.
Do you have a family, sister?
My dear, everyone I meet becomes a part of my family. We are all brothers and sisters in God's eye.
Really? Even me?
Yes, even you. We are all deserving of love and kindness.
I wish I could help people like you do, sister.
You can. Sometimes a smile or a kind word can make a big difference in someone's day.
Next day in the classroom. Reflecting on the journey, Arzu realizes the true meaning of Magis, the importance of helping others selflessly and with compassion.
Dear friends, I have understood that Magis isn't just about big acts of kindness. It's about every little thing we do with love and care.
And it's about making someone's day better, no matter how small the gesture.
Their classmates applaud them, inspired by Prabsirat and Arzu's demonstration of Magis in community.
As we conclude our play, we have journeyed through the stories of striving for more and seeking the greater God. Let us embrace the spirit of Magis and commit to making a difference. Together, we can achieve greatness and create a better, more just, and compassionate world. To encapsulate the spirit, we invite you to join us in this song that celebrates the essence of Magis.
that is Magis.